Today, I have a super fun story to share with you. It's called The Shopping Spree Adventure. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Once upon a time, in a colorful town filled with laughter and joy, lived a girl named Lily. Lily loved playing with her friends and exploring new things. One sunny afternoon, Lily's parents surprised her with a big allowance. "Go have fun, Lily," they said. "You can buy whatever you want." Lily was so excited. She dashed to the biggest toy store in town. Oh, the choices! Dolls, robots, games, and glittery things everywhere! Lily's eyes sparkled as she grabbed cart after cart of toys. She thought, with all these toys, I'll be the happiest kid ever. But guess what happened next? Lily's room was soon overflowing with toys. She had so many, she couldn't even walk around without stepping on something. And you know what? She felt overwhelmed. She missed playing outside with her friends. One day, her best friend Mia came over. "Wow, Lily, you have so many toys," Mia said. "But why do you look sad?" Lily sighed. "I thought having more toys would make me happy, but it just feels too much." Mia smiled and said, "Happiness doesn't come from having lots of things. It's about enjoying what you already have and spending time with people you love." Lily realized Mia was right. She decided to donate most of her toys to kids who didn't have any. And guess what? She felt lighter and happier. Now, Lily spends her days playing outside, laughing and making wonderful memories with her friends. So remember, friends, true happiness comes from the joy we find in simple things and the love we share with others. Until next time, keep smiling and stay curious. Bye-bye.